Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. Attention, everyone. We are here today to discuss some major developments in the US market and the price of Pepe coins. So, I'd want to have a conversation with you all about the reason behind the Pepe coin price volatility today. Then what the hey is happening with Pepe coin? The long-term future of Pepe is something I'd also like to discuss with you all. Regardless of the short-term fluctuations in the crypto market, the question remains, where will this cryptocurrency go in the future? If you find this kind of content interesting, please subscribe. Assuming you all would like to see more updates like this in the future, Pepe, when we speak, please give him a thumbs up. And now, without further ado, let's get into this one. Here we can observe the price of Pepe currency, which has been quite volatile over the past 24 hours. Looking back a few days, even a week, we can see that the crypto market has been showing strong positive tendencies. It has been leaning on us. With each passing candle, we finally reached a peak not long ago, at about 5 zeros and an eighth level up here. It was looking really bullish, and we've just retraced a little bit. So it's not a huge setback in the previous day or two. But just so you know, it fell to this 7,000 level in the past day. However, we must also consider Pepe's current situation in the big picture. And it's not only Pepe. A lot of people have experienced instability in the past day as well. As you can see, volatility has taken a knock, and the price of Bitcoin has fallen from roughly $66,000 to almost $67,000 in the previous 24 hours. It appears that we hit rock bottom at this zone, which is approximately $63,000. Thus, a slight decline. Here on the pricing chart, we present that little bit of road tracer. Bitcoin has experienced a retracement of about 4 to 5% throughout the past 24 hours. At the moment, this is going into Pepe and pretty much all the altcoins. If we turn our attention to the cryptocurrency market today, you can observe a 3.7% drop in Bitcoin's value across the board. The remainder of the cryptocurrency market will feel the effects of this unless a certain cryptocurrency is performing exceptionally well. So, let's check it out. Only 3 cryptocurrencies have made an appearance in the market today. Thus there aren't many cryptos. That is the result of a decline in Bitcoin's value. Having said that, will I continue to be positive about Pepe in the long run? I was wondering if you could tell me what Pepe's potential catalysts are right now. In short, yes, I am still very positive on Pepe over the long run. Despite today's 8.7% drop in the cryptocurrency market, I still believe that Pepe has promising long-term prospects. After all, we've seen this cryptocurrency soar onto the market seemingly out of nowhere, and many were worried when it retraced to this level. Plus, I recall that many people thought Pepe had died at this level, but then, suddenly, it revived. So, keep in mind that Pepe, along with other cryptocurrencies in your portfolio, is a common occurrence in the crypto world. This is going to take a lot of time and effort. As a result, the trip will last for quite some time. I believe that in the long run, there are some significant triggers to keep an eye on, the most important of which being this Coinbase listing, but occasionally, there will be days of volatility when the price drops. Alright, we have already brought this up. Looking over to Coinbase International, we can see the approved Coinbase futures on this channel. Also, that is very different from there. Thus, some are inquiring, do you know the reason? Futures exist for what reason? But why is this particular location chosen? Futures trading isn't for everyone. Be aware that futures can provide you with the opportunity to obtain leverage as well. If you want to trade efficiently with cryptocurrency, but don't have any on hand, you can borrow some and use leverage, but doing so comes with some risk. Alright, if you're interested in that, I can provide you with specific connections to some cryptocurrency exchanges that offer leverage, as can CoinW and Bluefin. When you get into leverage, though, you should be aware that liquidation is a possibility. Therefore, you run the risk of losing your entire investment if you use a very high level of leverage, say 100x, and the cryptocurrency price moves more than a 1% deviation from your entry price in the opposite direction from where you are executing the trade. That makes it a more high-risk tactic. Once you've mastered it, though, you should treat it like any other tool. Therefore, futures trading with leverage is more of a tool than anything else. As long as you understand how it works, it's much the same as any other tool or object that comes with additional danger. Could you tell me the dimensions of risk? I mean, it's not always a negative thing, you just need to be cognizant of it. So, inexperienced crypto traders risk losing their money due to leverage, excessive multiples, lack of stop losses, and other similar issues. That is the main distinction between leverage and spot, although it happens very quickly in cryptocurrency. Spot leverage is usually not available to you. As a result, you'll need to deal in USDT to Pepe and similar currencies. When you use leverage, though, you'll have to borrow additional cryptocurrency that you don't possess. Unfortunately, there is an additional risk involved. One of the major distinctions is that. However, from a spot viewpoint, I believe Coinbase will be more essential for Pepe. Remember how I told you that Coinbase had to own the Pepe on the books? Well, I'm in Coinbase, so spot is crucial. To reiterate, the key distinction is that crypto exchanges must provide a means for customers to withdraw their funds to cold storage devices or other wallets, such as MetaMask or Trust wallets, so they can exercise self-custody over their cryptocurrency holdings. However, the primary consideration will be futures, which are merely based on cryptocurrency exchanges and contracts. Second, I've read that whales are becoming rather fond of Petbase, which is something that people should take notice of. I believe it's significant that whales have recently poured money into this cryptocurrency. Look at Pepe again, when you compare it to other major cryptocurrencies, especially ones like SHIB, which is also seeing a retracement today, you'll see that it's a favorite among whales. Thus, you will witness individuals trading ships worth a staggering amount of money every single day. The amount of interest the ship receives is, thus, insane. More whales will be drawn to Pepe, which is a positive sign for the market in the long run. We also need to ride out current Bitcoin price, which is another major positive reason. Looking at the volatility, it seems like most of it is caused by Bitcoin today. So, like I've already told you, macro developments will play a significant role in the cryptocurrency market. In light of this, I find the prospect of long-term growth in the cryptocurrency sector to be rather appealing. Having said that, if you look at this chart, and you have been a subscriber to this channel from the beginning, you will see that we reached an apex here in 2021 at 63,000, then a massive decline, and another major apex for Bitcoin at 69,000 there. Then there was this huge fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, that hit the cryptocurrency market like a ton of bricks. The duration of this was just insane, it continued for about a year. At this level, it did in fact hit rock bottom. However, the hopeful and crypto-minded individuals who stuck around saw it through. Right now, the huge rewards are going to those people. You can see that there has been some retracement in the previous month or two on these candles. You have to think about the big picture if you're taking a long-term view, and we're taking a look at the weekly candles right now. Keep in mind that Bitcoin has the potential to reach $100,000, $200,000, or even $50,000 in the long run, but you should still exercise caution. Right now, we're seeing positive momentum that has persisted for the past year. I am pleased to hear that. Plus, this is a zone where we've witnessed meme coins fly. I believe meme points has a lot of potential, and they are now the most popular subset of cryptocurrency. In the long run, I believe that macro movements, a bullish economy, and a large number of people becoming wealthier will be the driving forces behind cryptocurrency prices. So even if Bitcoin does retrace, we still want to see a strong organic increase in price and a break through these major zones. We're talking $80,000 Bitcoin and $100,000 Bitcoin to get there. So, I'm maintaining an optimistic outlook. Pepe has the potential to be the next big cryptocurrency, with a price of $50 billion in the not-too-distant future. I remain bullish on the market and believe that this will drive up its price. Right now, during these red days, you can see that Pepe is trading at over $3 billion, which puts him at number 39. Still, this has the potential to be a $50 billion bet down the road. Also, keep in mind that there are other cryptocurrencies, such as Dogecoin, which has a market cap of $80 billion. You've seen its shipping price drop to $40 billion. When we combine that with the stronger Bitcoin price, we shouldn't discount factors like the $20 billion PET by $30 billion. This cryptocurrency might be a game changer in the long run, worth as much as $50 billion. Keep an eye on it, gentlemen. On this one, I am continuing to be bullish. Leave a comment below letting me know if you guys enjoy these Pepe updates, and if we talked about any other crypto news that you're interested in. I'm always listening to hear your thoughts and am open to hearing about other cryptocurrencies that you're bullish on. Well, that concludes our video. Like and subscribe as usual, and feel free to leave a comment with your opinions. Coming up shortly, farewell.